Welcome to CableFinder. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the steps to take if an address is not serviceable and requesting you submit a manual request. The manual request button will appear in one of two spots, either within the fiber or coax results page, replacing the configure pricing button, or up at the top of the page, there's a static manual request link. When you select manual request, you'll see the request serviceability page where your contact information as well as the street address will be pre-populated for you. Input your customer's name, choose the provider and service type you're looking for, and type in any pertinent information about the services being requested, like bandwidth or phone lines, into the notes section below. Click on Submit Request and it will notify our back office team to seek out the requested services for you.